Now we are heading towards the living room. Like you guys can see, it's beautiful. And moving on, we have this coming in. We have this huge space for you. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I'm Mandita Jagdish today at the Life by the Lake, which is located at Yelahanka, for a sample flat tour. Well, we'll get to know a lot more in detail about this project. But before that, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate business which connects home buyer and developer directly, giving you a bottom price rate. Unlike other current listing apps, if you do an inquiry, your number is shared to different brokers, which results in lot of calls. But in Housey, listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream house by the developer through Housey. Now this is Life by the Lake by Kia Homes. Land parcel is 2.6 acres and the number of towers is 10. Story is ground plus 3 floors, location near Jakkur, Yelahanka, and variance is 4 and 5 BHK. Now, connectivity Jakkur from Hebbal. Airport 7 kilometers, schools within 10 kilometers, malls in radius of 5 kilometers, hospital in radius of 5 kilometers, and metro in radius of 1 kilometer. Amenities: fish pond, pergola, private garden, golf, and also 50 plus amenities. So guys, now we are standing outside the 5 BHK Life by the Lake by Kia apartment. Now come on, let's go in and look at it. Like you guys can see, there's a pot area. It's beautiful, it's bright, it's elegant, and very spacious. I mean, easily people can fit. Now we are heading towards the living room. Like you guys can see, it's beautiful, it's vibrant, it's high fashion. It's an open living area which is divided into a TV side where you have sofa. Opposite to that you have TV area. And coming here, we also have this gorgeous space to, just sit, chill, spend some time. And also we have this beautiful racks and space to store your books, your other stuffs. And moving on, you have this puja room, which is, I think, decent, very spacious too. And yeah, come on. Now I'll be taking you to the most beautiful view of the house, that is balcony. It's right here in the living room. Like you guys can see, it's very spacious, very vibrant, it's gorgeous. The view is beautiful from here. It has grass mat, which is I think giving you one of the finest looks. It has wooden floors. It is actually anti-slippery floor also. It's very spacious, gorgeous. I think you guys can chill, spend some time. It's very vibrant, beautiful, right? Come on. Now I'll take you to the most important part of the house. I mean, I think all ladies can relate to this, that is kitchenette area. Before heading to kitchen, I'll show you the dining room, which is in the living room, but it's very spacious, guys. Like literally, it's very spacious. I mean, look at the detailing, the lights, the wall colors are doing 100% justice to what they have in here. I think easily 9 to 10 people can fit in. And yeah, now it's time to show you the kitchenette area. And here we are. This is a dining, not dining, but a breakfast, chill, talk kind of place. You guys can use this there. And moving on, we have this marble, cabinet, and it's very spacious. The coloring is very good. It's beautiful. We also have a lot of cabinets to store things, which is very spacious again. Also, now this is again the space of kitchen where you can divide according to your needs. And here you have the sink. Again, you have this beautiful view here too, a big window, so you get direct light to the kitchen. And moving on to the utility area, again guys, I mean, it's very spacious. I think all the things can easily fit in here. It's very cool. I mean, the colors, the cabinets are also very nice. They have spacious cupboards here. And now this is the maid's room. I think it's very spacious too. Easily a person can fit in and comfortably stay here. Yes. And now we also have this rooms. They also have, this is closed. We also have cupboards in there to and this is maid's room, which is spacious, and I think, like I said, easily a person can fit in. Now I'll take you to the most important part of the house where everyone wants to know, wants to see. That is one's individual space. Yes, that is bedroom. I think we all are very particular about our bedrooms because that's the space we want to share. That's the space we live in. Now, before taking you guys to the bedroom, I would like to show you one more room, which is, I think everybody will want to have this room in their home, which is the chilling spot. You can call this as a chilling spot. You can spend time here with friends, family. You also have TV space opposite to the couch, and also there's study table. If you guys are into study, reading books, or spending your usual alone time, I think this is the best place. They also have spacious cupboards, like you guys can see, a lot of space to store your books, your other stuffs, and also your office stuffs. I think this is my favorite place at the home. Yes. Now moving on to the bedrooms, which is very important of the house. So this is room number 1. Come on guys, I'll take you in. Yes, like you guys can see how vibrant it is, how classic, how elegant. They've given the touch of walls, the colors, the lights. Also coming to the space, I mean, they also have 2 bedded space, and also you can keep a table here, or a pot, or any other stuffs you want, and also a lamp. I mean, I think this is doing 100% justice to the look. And moving on, you have this couch for couch space where you can just sit, chill, read book, spend time alone, and other stuffs. And now moving on, we have this beautiful study table, very spacious. I think you can use for studying, reading books, or any computer space, office works. I mean, everything goes here. I mean, yeah. Also, they have this photo space, a big wall where you can hang in your photos, which will decorate the room 100%, much better. Now, going on to the balcony of the room, I think that is the best part of the room, don't you think? Yes. Yes guys, so this is the balcony. Like you guys can see, it's spacious, very vibrant. It's all light, filled with light, and you also have space still here where you guys can divide this part to that part or whatever. They also have wooden flooring for this balcony, that balcony too. It's an anti-slippery floor where you guys are careful. And also, yeah, I mean, what not? It's too vibrant, too beautiful, right? Come on. Now I'll take you to the bathroom of the room. Before getting into the bathroom, we also have this closet region where you can keep all your clothes. I mean, easily all your clothes can fit in here, like seriously. Now, moving on to the bathroom of the room, like you guys can see now, it is an anti-slippery floor. The detailing is very nice. They've divided into 2 sections, and also there's a lot of space for you guys to chill, and it is a high-end sanitary bathroom, right? Now, moving on to the next room of the house, that is room number 2. Now, how many of you would want to have, spacious room filled with light, balcony, high-end, sanitary, and also slippery, anti-slippery tools, whatnot, right? Now, moving on to the room number 2. Sorry. So now, room number 2 is, I think, a very decent place for you guys would want to come here. It has a very decent study space. They also have this big window which has a direct view which gives you light. I mean, it's very, very beautiful. And also they have the space to keep your table, and also there's a two-bedded space for you to sleep, chill, whatnot. Also they have this beautiful space to keep all your other stuffs like mirror or any other things, right? Now moving on to the bathroom of the room, they have, oh yes, again they have these anti-slippery floor which keeps you safe, and also it is high-end sanitary. Again, this is divided into 2 sections. It's very spacious, and they also have these mirrors which will do 100% justice for the look of the bathroom and whatnot, right? Now moving on to the third room of the house, I think I'm pretty excited for this one. Now moving on to the third bedroom of the house, I must say I love this room because firstly I have to talk to you guys about the flooring. I mean, look at this. It is a wooden flooring. It's giving you 100% beautiful look. I mean, it's actually extra adding the look for the room. They also have this gorgeous beautiful space for your beds. It's easily to sit in bed, and they also have the space for 2 people to sit, talk, chill. They also have this gorgeous space here to put in all your things. They also have a space for your study table where you can you do your office work, studying or whatnot. Also this gorgeous wall for your TV hanging could be, and also your photo frames if you would want to put in all your frames here. They also have this gorgeous space for your dressing space where there's a mirror, there's a table, also a space to keep your plants, books, whatnot, right? Now moving on to the closet of the room, that is again, like I said, it's so spacious, guys. I mean, everything can fit in. All my clothes can definitely fit in here. I think this is doing 100% justice for the space we all wish to have, right? Now taking you to the bathroom of the house, of the home. This is again anti-slippery floor. It's divided into 2 sections again, and also they have this beautiful detailing on the wall floor. They're giving you high-end sanitary, right? Now moving on to the exciting, everything part of the house. So now let's go look into the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you what does Housey actually does for us. So in Housey, we give you sample flat tour. In Housey, we actually give you location tours. In Housey, we give you inclusive price, which includes EMI and down payment details. Not that, we give you every pros and cons of the project, like every project. Now, we also give you 360-degree virtual tour of everything. Now, if you still like the project after all these things, you can book your free site visit by just clicking the link in the description below, right? Now, come on, let me take you to the master bedroom of the house. Yes, guys, while entering, you have your bathroom here. Again, like I said, it's an anti-slippery floor. It is divided into 2 sections, and trust me, everything is high-end sanitary here. You have this big space for your mirror, sink, and also other stuffs too. Now, Moving on, we have this gorgeous space to keep your table, plants, lamps, whatnot. Now, coming in, we have this huge space for your bed, which is opposite directly to the window, which is very vibrant. It's a very, natural light, vibrant space. Opposite to that, you have this again spacious bed where two people can easily fit in. They have this space here to keep your table, couch, whatnot. Now, opposite to that, again, exactly, we have this table where a very decent amount of table where you can spend your office work, study, and any other work related stuff. Now, moving on, we have this balcony, which is the best part of the room. Come, I'll take you through. Now, they have this decent amount of space for you to, chill. They have a very good view from which is, I think, you can actually see the whole apartment here. I mean, very spacious, very windy, and they also have wooden flooring, which is again safe end. Now, exactly opposite to this, we have your cupboards. There's a huge mirror for your powder section, like to get ready and everything. Now, this was your master bedroom, and let me take you through. So guys, this was 4 BHK flat tour by Life by the Lake by Kia. Now, if you guys like this project, go register yourselves in Housey.com. If you guys want to download e-browser, then click on the link mentioned in the description. Also, if you guys have any negative or positive thoughts about this project, please feel free to comment down in the comment section so we get to know the positive and the weakness, the negative and the strengths of the project, right? Now also, before you go, don't forget to subscribe Housey to get in more details and more updates, right? Till then, take care. Bye.
Everyone, this is the 5 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Life by the Lake, located in Yelahanka by Key Group.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.